Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, this video is very important for you. I am purchasing one of the outstanding accessories of my Tesla car. Where is the accessories? Oh, before start the unboxing where I am purchasing this product, I will show you first of all. I am purchasing 3 accessories from Slack platform. Slack platform are selling multiple accessories especially on Tesla brand. Custom central console side protector for your Tesla Model Y and 3. Accessories detail available on video description. You just click and order the accessories, which accessories you want like. So now we will see unboxing. What exactly look like the accessories close to the camera. Now I just simply open the box. Inside the box, a Slack sticker they are providing. Inside the box, custom central console side protected for Tesla car. So yeah, this one is very easily fixed. Even some grips, so it's very easily fixed, this one. So now we can start the fix this accessories. So most important point come here, this portion, for we can start from this location. Otherwise it's really complicated to fix this accessories. So I just simply use the first portion like here and cover the as a graph wise. After that it's very easy to fix without any complex or without any problem. And final outcome is amazing. Same as it is, we can fix opposite side as well, but before fix opposite side we can fix properly here, so we can receive all the necessary information what exactly look like. And someone seated on passenger seat, so such kind of activities happening, that this one is also very easily fixed. Such a graph is available here, so you can fix, and it's not very easy to remove. Second thing, so some passengers are sitting on the car, so he or she can do this one, you can clean very easily. It's amazing look after finalize. Look like this. Now that's it. It's very easy to fix the side protected panel. Hope you enjoy this installation. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks, and purchase this product from Slack platform. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.